Check this out. Look how big those squirrels are. We got 1, 2, 3, 4. They're up above the house. Very, very top.